Okay, so with the Hercules Elite blender, first we're going to make some black pepper. Actually, I have mixed pepper coins here. I have black, white, and red. So we're going to blend those into a fine pepper. And I'm just going to pour them in. And I'm going to just adjust the blender down to the lowest first. And then I'm going to just use the pulse and see how that works. Wow, that's powerful. I put in all the dry peppercorns and I'm just going to check it. That was just a few seconds. And actually, that's all it took to get a really fine pepper, mixed pepper. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. So if you want fresh ground black pepper, and this is actually a mixed pepper with black, red, and white peppercorns, it smells absolutely wonderful. There is nothing like fresh ingredients. So this blender really just, I mean, it just obliterated it. It just really, it's so fine. It's wonderful. So I'm really impressed. So that's the first one. And we'll get cleaned up. And then we'll do some coffee beans. We'll do coffee beans next. But that was the black peppercorns, and they really turned out wonderful. Just a few seconds. Really impressed.